As one of the most active video streaming platforms in China, Tencent Video now seeks expansion through innovation. We launched an installation art show in bustling Sanlitun, Beijing, creating a world in which all creatures were crazy about Tencent Video. By peeping through a crevice, into a cave, or inside a broken egg, viewers observed a fascinating secret world. While a vivid anteater was creeping up on its prey and stretching its tongue, the ant in the cave, unaware of the predator, was still engaged in the movie on its phone. In the water, an octopus was holding a bucket of popcorn with one tentacle and a cell phone with another, enjoying Tencent Video with his frog friend, who didn't even notice a mosquito bite. Inside a broken egg, the two heads of a Tyrannosaurus were jostling for the only tablet. All these creatures holding smartphones and tablets were all deeply immersed in Tencent Video. Fun and bizarre, they brought joyful moments to the viewers. By attracting the crowds to stop by and take selfies with them, we conveyed the idea we all love watching Tencent Video with a whimsical touch. We all love watching Tencent Video.